Dome Auto Security Products. The ultimate in automotive security. Get Dome Anti-Theft Carjack with Signal Pin Technology. Dome Immobilizer with RFID technology. Or Dome Hybrid GPS Tracker with SMS Lock and Unlock. Plus PHF Defense against COVID-19. Pulse oximeter, hand sanitizer and a face mask, free.
Dome Anti-Theft Carjack System, featuring Signal Pin technology, means no remotes, so no frequencies to be copied, with unlimited safe mode code changing. If stolen, Dome activates 60 seconds after starting and won't accelerate without your Signal Pin. Installation includes safe mode code, service, panic and emergency stop codes, as well as audio and visual confirmation. Please call 741-0252 for more information. Dome, the ultimate in automotive security. Dome Hybrid GPS Tracker. Features include OEM modules for all hybrid, gas and diesel, push start and key types to shut off the car from the ECU and not the fuel pump, lock and unlock doors by SMS. Your installation includes free app for both iOS and Android devices, plus a full alarm system, all on 18 months warranty. Installed at 3 locations, Canupia, Warrenville and Arouca. Call us at 741-0252 for more information. Dome, the ultimate in automotive security.